All right, guys. So I want to walk you through how to set up a Sonos speaker, or actually not set up, but this is how to reconnect it or re-add it back into your Sonos app. This one's been unplugged for a little bit, so we need to get it back into the app. As you can see, I just have the family room set up currently in the app. And to add this back in, what we need to do is go to that settings icon, I think. And then we're just going to hit add speaker or component. Do an update real quick. Bad timing for an update. We'll just run through it. And this is, there we go. Okay, let's try that again. So settings, add speaker or component. And it says searching for nearby products. Make sure they're powered on, which it is. So I have the Sonos One SL here. So I'm going to click finish setup. Continue. Oh, we got an update on the speaker as well. So this is probably going to take a little bit longer to update. All right, so now that this has been completely updated, we are going to look for the sound. So we're going to hit continue, and this is going to play sound. And there it is. Okay, so make sure the light is flashing white and green. It is. And then we will hit the, what is this, the button on the back. There. And now we're linking. And now we are linked. And if I go back here, now I have two speakers that are currently added to the app. Now, if that didn't work for you, make sure that you have your phone on the same Wi-Fi network as your speakers. That has always been an issue with these speakers. So make sure that you just do that. So yeah, that's all I have today. I hope it helps, guys. If it does, like and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.